welcome to another video and welcome to Delhi. Today is my third day in Delhi and I'm going to check out a local market which is in my neighborhood. My hostel's over here by the metro and the Delhi train station is a few minutes walk away, so I'm going to check out that area in between, but I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Go ahead and click it. I'll wait for you. We'll both wait for you. Thank you. Biscuits. Oh, this veg looks so amazing.
अरे मीना जी गए चले गए
Tomato, 90 rupees, and then roti, 8 rupees a piece. Stop off and get some Oreos. So right now the Indian rupee is 71 rupees for $1 US. My Oreos were 30 rupees, which is about 42 cents. And then my dinner, the aloo tomato and 2 roti was 106 rupees. And that's about $1.49 US. So it's pretty delicious and pretty cheap as well. your pup.
Sweet potato.
Oh, thank you.
How are you?
Good, good.
Where are you from?
Canada.
Ah, better than America.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Better than America.
Thank you.
When you coming India?
Oh, I've been here for a while. Not my first time here. I've been here many times. So, yeah.
What are you looking for now?
Oh, not looking. And there he goes. I'm not from Canada. I haven't been here for a while. This is my first time here. But he didn't need to know that. And once I told him otherwise, he took off immediately. Lost interest. That's it, everybody, from a walk around my hostel in the Delhi railway station. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I'll see you guys next time.